How to turn off announce calls on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your device. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Scroll down and tap on the Phone app. You are now in the Phone Settings page, where you can manage various call preferences. Now, tap on Announce Calls located at the bottom of the page. This feature allows Siri to announce who is calling. You can choose between always, headphones and car, headphones only, or never. This is useful when you can't see your phone. To disable this feature entirely, select Never from the list. A checkmark will appear next to it, confirming your choice. Following these steps, you can easily turn on announce calls on an iPhone.